Question number 3 is another probability problem. What is the probability of not spinning a blue or green on the spinner? Not spinning a blue or a green is a complement to spinning a blue or a green. First, we need to look at what is the probability of spinning a blue or a green. Spinning a blue or a green on the spinner, 4 blues out of 8, 1 green out of 8, 4 eighths plus 1 eighth is 5 eighths probability of spinning a blue or a green on the spinner. When I look at a complementary event, or the event of something not happening, I look at 5 eighths plus what equals 8 eighths. And my answer is 3 eighths, because if I take away 5 eighths from 8 eighths, it's 3 eighths. You can also do this directly by looking at the colors on the spinner that are not blue or green. There are 2 red and 1 yellow. 2 out of 8 plus 1 out of 8 is 3 out of 8. So what is it called when you find the probability of an event not happening? This is called a complementary event. Gonna run out of room. Complementary event.